This program raises many difficult questions, and we do want to know what you think. So please log on to NOVA's website and take our survey. Also, you can see how scientists pinpoint a gene, find out how sequencing works, and more at pbs.org or America Online, keyword PBS.
To order this show or any other NOVA program for $19.95 plus shipping and handling, call WGBH Boston Video at 1-800-255-9424.
By inserting just one gene, our food can grow bigger, resist disease, and feed the world.
This is a mass genetic experiment that's going on in our diet.
Harvest of Fear, a NOVA Frontline Special Report.
NOVA is a production of WGBH Boston. Corporate funding for NOVA is provided by Sprint and the Northwestern Mutual Foundation. Additional funding is provided by the Park Foundation, dedicated to education and quality television. Major funding for this program is provided by the National Science Foundation, America's investment in the future. And by the Corporation for Public Broadcasting, and by contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you. Thank you.
This is PBS.